Hey guys, here a quick tour of the NIO ET9 with some explanations.
First, this car is a flagship.
Yeah, flagship product, like Maybach.
High-end top,
Yeah.
much better than
Yeah,
Maybach.
okay.
So you can talk to him like, "Hi, know me." 打开前备箱，打开车门。You can put back there.
Okay.
You can talk to him, "Hi, know me." 打开前备箱。打开车门，Hi, know me。打开车门，打开四扇车门。
Wow. Okay.
They're ready for you getting in the car, and they have the in-house developed chips, in-house developed systems,
Yeah.
operating systems, and in-house developed chassis, Skyride chassis. We already experienced.
Yeah, it's the first time with this Skyride
Yes.
in any car.
The first time.
Wow. Okay.
关闭所有车门和前备舱。
And it's the first car you can speak with Nomi outside of the car.
Now the DS8 you can also talk to
Okay.
Nomi from outside.
Okay.
This one is the first one.
The first one, yeah.
Hi, Nomi. 关闭前备舱。
And it uses the same 100 kWh battery than the all other NIOs, yeah? The same batteries.
Yeah, the
options.
first 100 kilovolt power Type B.
Okay.
New generations Type B. Later, this first one is the first NT3 platform. So there are 3 layers.
Okay. So on the sides?
Yeah, from the side, left side, right side, and the bottom. So 3 layers.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is fancy. And it's the first one with steer-by-wire, right?
Steering by wire. This is very important. And this the door is the first auto door. And you can do like this. Sorry.
And anything special here? Or anything different? I think the design is different. And all other NIOs have the same like setup here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And fast charging is improved here, or is it the same as all other NIOs?
Fast charging because there's using the 900 volt
Okay, 900 volt
platform.
architecture. So
yes.
the top kilowatt is how much?
It should be like 250. I'm not quite
250. Okay. Okay.
I'm not quite sure.
Between 200 and 300.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Signature edition is still available, or?
Still available.
Yeah. Okay. So it's like a package.
It's like package.
So.
Yes. It's only 2 standard and the signature.
It's so funny. I was checking out the i7 from BMW, and they just do not have any textile here in the roof. It's just plain. It's just plain aluminium.
Yeah.
And every NIO has some nice covering, some nice textile.
Yes,
it's really good.
It's for adjust the height. Adjust the height of the cars. And if you have the keys or certain mode, get heat, go up and down. You see?
Okay. Crazy. And this is the Chinese model name, this here?
Oh, yes, 未来 it means 未来. New.
New?
In Chinese 未来.
New.
New.
Okay. Okay, got it. And on the inside, is there, I think on the outside we have everything special. What is on the inside special?
We have the. See, there's 40 seaters.
It's 4 seaters only.
Seats.
Yeah.
On the upper parts, you see. Divide into 2 parts.
Yeah.
So everyone is separate, individual.
Yeah.
So you can laying there and you push the button like this.
Ah, okay, okay. And the tablets are always installed?
Yes.
Okay.
You change the angle. So you see always the horizon there.
Wow. Okay. Das ist crazy.
Yes, you can use thing for the laptop. For your laptop, and there's a fridge there. Also can hi Nomi. Hi Nomi. Hi Nomi. Hi Nomi. Hi Nomi. 打开冰箱门。See the fridge there?
Okay, yeah. For my champagne, yeah?
Yeah, you can put champagne.
Do you have some glasses here?
Ja, ich muss quasi immer hoffen, dass ich hier irgendwas machen kann.
Ah, okay.
Da probiert jetzt Chris hier ein bisschen was aus.
Ah, okay.
Ja, aber viel mehr ist es auch.
Wow.
Hi Nomi. Hi Nomi. Hi Nomi. 关闭我这一侧的遮阳帘。And the sound system is also perfect. Have over 30 speakers in these cars. It's called the Jiu Xiao Tian Jing in Chinese. It's a new in-house developed sound systems. Hi Nomi. You can try some. What's your favorite?
Just put anything on.
You would be great at it, I'm sure. But it's a little bit big for European roads. Yeah.
Wow. We got a 5D experience. It was amazing. Wow, yeah. This is really heavy metal table. It's crazy. Okay, wenn man die Tür aufmacht, fährt er hier zurück. Did you experience the 5D?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
That's crazy, eh?
Yeah.
With the like with tariffs and everything, I think 160,000. But what a car. And I love it that
But is it sustainable for the suspension? Or not an issue? Because I think it puts stress on the suspension. You don't think so? Don't think?
it's like 4 little motors,
Yeah.
and they can move 6,000 times per second. It's 4 Americans who invented this rear motion.
Okay, I didn't
From
know.
Boston.
Have you tried this?
No.
Ever?
Okay.
Cool.
Know me the best. Wow.
It's cool, right?
Das ganze Auto wackelt einfach, das ist krass.
Ja, cool.
How is this mode called?
It's because we're using the suspensions.
Mhm.
It's a fully active suspensions. We call the Skyride.
Ja.
So using the Skyride, they can 5D cinema,
Wow.
panel cinema. So the 5D means you see the dimensional of the suspensions variants, and you can feel the perfume.
Ja.
Yes. Massage.
Ja. Wow.
Yes.
Hier 5D-Kino gerade einfach.
Krass.
Hey, das wackelt hier.
Normal.
Do you have an English name for this mode? So
Skyride.
Skyride. Okay,
If you put on the cinema, it's called the 5D panel cinema.
Yeah, okay.
Panel cinema.
And these pads here are active cooled
It's
with cooling?
It's for cooling for fans.
Okay,
for the,
fans.
For
Okay,
the charging.
okay.
For touchless charging. Wait. Hey. 估计不一定有空，我现在忙，我等一下再回你吧。
Also das war gerade echt eine krasse Demo.
我10点再回你，我现在在忙，
Oh mein Gott.
10点回你啊，我等一下打电话给你。
This steer by wire is really
Steer by
reactive.
wire.
It's really reactive.
And so you see, you can also not only in the demonstration, you can use them to watch some movie.
Mario?
Mario, yes.
Movie in 5D?
In 5D. Yeah. Mario, King Kong, Transformer.
Das sind Leute, wir schauen hier gerade 5D-Kino.
Super.
Wow.
Godzilla with King Kong too. And you can play some racing games
In 5D?
in 5D.
Wow.